Okay, so my introduction. Basically, my name is Sean Vanatter. I'm currently active duty Army. I'm about to get out of the Army soon. Um, my passion is fitness and nutrition and performance. I love helping soldiers. I love personal training. If I could do this the rest of my life, I would do it. And so I am literally, I know I won't make any money off YouTube, and I've tried to do this in the past, but I'm not going to let money stop me from giving you my passion pretty much. So I know that this content can help others, and I want to introduce you to my channel, Vans Aesthetics. Basically, I'm going to be covering nutrition, programming, sleep, hormone optimization. I'm going to be showing you how to meal prep, basically how to tailor goals to meet your needs, to meet your wants as far as fitness. And my dog is watching. You're gonna see a lot more of my dog, and you're gonna see me eating a lot of food because that's what you got to do. But basically, oh, yep, as you can see, I'm very new to this, and yeah, I'd like to formally introduce myself. I'm gonna be putting out content. I am busy, active duty Army, but I'm still gonna put out content for you, and hopefully you get something out of it. I mean, this is what I love. This is my passion, and I'm just simply following my passion. So I look forward to pumping out content, and hopefully you get something out of these videos. This is Vans Aesthetics. There are more videos to come.